Hello everyone, this is Rakta and very welcome to our YouTube channel. Health is wealth and we are going to see yoga for beginners. Number 1, mountain pose. Stand up, straighten your body, join your hands and breathe in, breathe out. Relax, relax. Number 2, easy sit. Sit normally by folding your legs. Close your eyes, breathe in, breathe out, relax your mind, relax, relax, calm your mind. Number 3, plank pose. Make straight your body like in a push-up pose but don't pull and push. Press your arms and straighten your body. Inhale, exhale slowly and relax and press your palms gently. Number 4, low lunge. Start from downward facing dog and fold one leg and press your hands. Relax and repeat this on second leg or you can say left leg and calm your mind. Number 5, tree pose. Stand up, fold one leg, join your hands. Inhale, exhale, relax, relax and repeat the same on another leg or you can say left leg and inhale, exhale. Number 6, child pose. Bend forward your body and inhale, exhale, breathe in, breathe out and relax your mind and be positive. Number 7, triangle pose. Stand straight and slide your legs. Touch your right toe with right hand and left toe with left hand and straight your another hand. Keep calm. Inhale, exhale. Repeat this 2 or 3 times. Number 8, cat pose. Bend forward your body and pull your back. Inhale, exhale. Press your hands and keep calm. Breathe in, breathe out. Number 9, cow pose. Forward bend your body and push your back. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Relax. Number 10, warrior pose. Make triangle pose and forward your legs. Press on your right leg and join your hands. Inhale, exhale. And repeat the same with your another leg and press on your forward leg and inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Number 11, butterfly pose. Sit calmly and join your both the palms of your legs and touch your toe with your fingers and inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale and relax. And at the end, sit calmly and be positive. Relax. Thank you for watching, and if this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your all friends, and we will meet in next video. Till that, keep smiling, spread happiness because smile is the best way to be healthy and free of cost. Bye bye, take care.